be a Monday thing now. We've got snow again. Job to sort out first. There we go. Right, it's supposed to be an amber weather warning today, but this is the UK and it's obviously a bit of snow. Everybody panics. My missus works up at Leeds though, so she has to catch the train. So God knows what's happening with that. Anyway, I've been playing with this over the weekend. So it's one of those cheap Chinese, well, a leather patcher, I think they call them. I've got it because not necessarily for my leather work, because I still like to do saddle stitching by hand for my sheaths anyway. Maybe alright for a little bit of prototyping, but I have got another job for this. So this is another one for, well, for my mate who's a deer manager, and we're making some drag bags for pulling deer out of difficult situations so they don't get all muddy. So the idea is to use a bit of tarpaulin, some webbing, stitch it all together and hopefully make some of it. But that's be another plan and probably another video coming shortly in the future, but wait and see. But I've got to get this out of the way and start for my jobs for today. Welcome to the outdoor studio. Nice and fresh morning. Right, there we go. This is the sheath for the Spartan Bipod. I haven't got one to try in it, unfortunately. The guy who make it for Steve said he would send one down, but I had some dimensions of one that I've made before, so I thought, well, I'll give it a go. Save him sending it through post. I'll let him have this one and then see what he thinks to it. If it does need any alterations, he can send us up the bipod with the sheath back, and I'll do some jiggery pokery with it and sort it all out. But anyway, there we go. 3mm vegetan leather. Basically it's an extended version of the one that's got the belt loop, or just the loop that holds onto it. So the whole sheath is then covered by the whole bipod is covered by the sheath. Belt loop stitched onto the back of it. Got the loop with a snap to hold it in place, even though I doubt it'll fall out anyway because of the length of the legs on the sheath. I think the legs work out about 190mm, something like that. So, like I say, we're on my outdoor studio, and everybody who's seen the Loddon bag that I use, here it is. Took a few photos. So whenever I'm taking any photos of any of the products I've made, so any of the knives or leatherwork, I always try and take the photos of them outside in natural light. Now, not directly in direct sunlight like I am at the minute, because especially with the blades, they just glare up and you can't see them properly. So take them outside. This end of the house has got a bit of shade onto it, so it's a more neutral light rather than a glare on them, so it subdues it slightly. Put a little bit of a filter onto the lens of the camera. You know, you can do that with a phone anyway, just darken it off slightly, just so you can see the whole knife properly. I always use my Loddon bag as a background. Need to probably change that up and use a few different things, but it seems to work for me. But like I say, that's probably the best way that I can think of doing photos. There's plenty of advice out there on the old Tinterweb, so I'm sure you'll find something for doing whatever products you're making and be able to take photos of them. Right, last few things to show on this video. A couple of knives that I've got finished. So this one is a Buckeye Burl, another Buckeye Burl, brass roebuck pins on it, black G10 liners, a rose stoker. I do like the Buckeye Burl. It's a really lovely wood, but I could do with finding some more, or finding somebody that can supply some more. So if anybody knows anybody out there that can supply Buckeye Burl, especially in the UK, but if not abroad, and I can get it shipped over, possibly, because I'm struggling to find some in the UK at the minute, but I could do with some. The next one is a little coney with walnut scales on it and brass pins. So nice and simple. Both of these got the sheets done for them. So I've got to, hopefully it's not too dark and I can get some photographs sorted and then I can get them sent out. A few others that I've got done. I've picked these up from Laser Etches this week. So I've got some Cerakoted blades. I've got 3 Fowler Stalkers. 2 of them are ordered and one of them that I've got to put an handle on. So again, black satin finish onto it. Where it's been laser etched, it gives a little bit of a gold effect. I quite like that one. But I've also got a couple of different colours. So I've got a cobalt. Really like that one. I have got one that was an orange one. Now the guy that painted it says he's not too sure how good the quality of the paint is on this one. So I don't know. It's not quite. It's all right, but I think it could be better. But so I'm going to put an handle on it, see how it comes out anyway. If it's no good, it's no good. Never mind. All the few ones, I've got 3 little coney kits. So Drew's been waiting for these to turn up. So names are laser etched on the opposite side. Logos are put onto them. These need just cleaning up. First of all, the bevel's getting put on, but I've got the handles materials ready for them. So I can possibly show that in the next video. And a couple of others that I've also got that you've probably seen before. The filleter. So again, got the laser etch, got my logo put onto it. So now those 2 are ready for handles. So hopefully I'm going to sort out putting handles on these lot this week. So hopefully get 3 of them sorted. Well, 3. One of them I'm not going to be able to do because I haven't got the Fowler butt pins. Still waiting for some stainless ones of those to turn up. But it's just a case of waiting for them. All Brexit and all that crap. But there we go. That's all the ones that I've got sorted at the minute, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you've got any questions, send them over to us because I'll try and answer what I can. Other than that, thank you very much and I'll see you later.